Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be showing you how to use Patreon as a member. This is a beginner guide and we'll be giving you a walkthrough of what you need to do to get the best out of Patreon. So assuming you've already created your account and you're new to Patreon, there are a few things to take note of. So Patreon is a platform where you can directly support your favorite creators by becoming a paying member. When you become a member, whether it's free or paid, you become a patron. This support helps your creators to produce the content you'd love to see. Now, when you select a creator, for example, you have the option to become a member. And of course, as we mentioned before, being a member is the same as being a patron. At the top here, you can see some details such as the name of the creator, and beneath it, you can see the headline, creating reaction videos, and that's what they do here. You can also see the number of posts, and here you could also see the other social platforms that they are connected to, such as Instagram and X. Now, when you scroll further down, you can see choose your membership. Memberships have tiers here on Patreon, and these different membership tiers have varying levels of benefits. For example, for this creator, you have standard edition, deluxe edition, and special edition. With each of these tiers, they have their details, and you'll need to carefully analyze each of the details here, such as things you get access to and other details. You have the show more, and here you can see all these details for you. Now, of course, when you look at all of them, you can see which is best for you in order to pay. The standard edition for this creator is at $3, the deluxe is at $5, and the special edition is at $9 per month. Some of these tiers have the option to start a free trial for a number of days. As you can see here, start 7-day free trial. This helps you to see if you'd like to engage or commit to this creator based on what you've seen for the last 7 days. So say we want to try another option, we have Ask Haviv Anything. And here you can see also become a member, and it has 9 posts, and you can see what it's all about, history, and you can see here the membership. You have the become a member option. When you click on it, you'll be asked to make some payments. This is a monthly payment, and you have the payment method. Either you're using your card or your PayPal. Of course, if you're interested in using your Apple Pay, you'll need to use your Apple device, and this will enable the option to use Apple Pay. But say you don't want to become a member by paying and you want to join for free. What can you do in this case? Well, because this is paid creator, the free option is not so prominent. So what you can do in order to join for free is to go over to the 3 dots here at the right corner of the screen, click on it, and you'll see the option to join for free. When you click on join for free, you'll see that now you're a free member. Now this might pop up again, but of course you have the option to skip for now. Even though you're a free member, what you can benefit from this creator will be limited. So you want to take note of that. For example, you have all this information here, it's locked. You can see it's also locked here. And this means you cannot access it unless you're an upgraded member. Now there are others who you can join for free, and you can see it right here. So you can see on this, creating music album reviews, and we can click on it because we have the join for free option. And you can see instead of becoming a member, you can click on join for free. This means that this creator has free content if you're not ready to pay for it. Of course, if you want some membership, you can also have enthusiast and the personalized tier where of course you have the perks. But the pro to this is that you can join for free. You will be faced with this again when you click on join for free. You can click skip on now and then go to creator, and you'll be able to have access to content without them being locked. So this is the difference between those who have the join for free option and become a member. Then you also have the community option when many creators foster a community engagement, and when you click on the community here, it will take you to that page. As you can see here in your community, you can see chat and direct messages. You can search through your messages or your conversations with others and continue with the chat option if you've started any. Again, on the left side, you have Explore. This is where we were able to select some creators, and when you hover over them, you'll see if they have the free option or they just want you to become a member or a patron directly. For example, you can see NFR Podcasts. You cannot see join for free, just as this one, and this is because this is most likely a paid option. We've mentioned community, and here you can see notifications, and you can also see your other memberships. If you're interested in getting the app, you have the option right here to click on it, And with your phone, you can scan the QR code in order to get access to the app. Of course, if you don't want to use this, you can go over to your Play Store or the App Store to download the Patreon app. Now, as a member, you'll need to know about your settings. Now, here in your settings, you have basics account, email notification, memberships, and more. Now, when you click on the drop down for more, you have where you can add your payment methods, connect your other apps, and block users. Now, when you click on connected apps, you can see that you can connect your Patreon as a member with your Discord, Venmo, and Spotify. And under accounts, here you can change your login settings, your two-factor authentication, your shipping address, and under basics, you have the basics where you can fill in your details. And lastly, don't forget to narrow down your search by using the search option to search for creators or topics, or right here you can see the easy options to simply click on topics that you might be interested in, and you have a massive number of creators at your disposal for you to choose from. In your engagement here on Patreon, do remember to be respectful when interacting with creators and other patrons. Go ahead and familiarize yourself with Patreon's community guidelines, and Patreon's Help Center can be a valuable source for you. All this will help you to get a good start and enjoy your experience here on Patreon. We hope at this point using Patreon as a member is now easier to use, and we hope you can go ahead and make the best use of Patreon as a member. So let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.